sure there's more eggs over there.
Let's look back over here. You see one? Wow, Madeline. Look over there. Something shiny. That one's a golden egg.
This is for 8.
Is there more?
Some more?
I don't know. We'll have to see. That Easter Bunny left a lot. You just look around for them. You might see one. Keep looking. If it was a snake, it would bite you. Wow, you are great at this. Did you?
Oh, another flower?
Oh, that's pretty.
Put right there. There you go.
Did you see any more? Just look all around.
I see more. Some more.
Make sure. Oh, she sees more. Good work. Daddy found one. Do you see any more? You see any more eggs? Brian looks like he has almost found one. Good job. I think you might have found all of them. Good work, lady. You have to open them up now. See what you got. Can you hold up your basket? Look at Mommy and hold up the basket. Look at how many you found. Good job.